Okay. Last week, what I taught, what is the topic name? Can you tell me?
Our home.
Our home. Very good.
What our home?
Very good. And
Our home.
yes. The art our home. And I completed the full lesson that day. But that day also some students cannot attend the class from some problems. So I will one time start from the yes. That's why I will start from the beginning. One time I will read. First listen to me. Then after that we'll discuss all the question, fill in the blanks, true, false. Okay. How many questions related to the lesson? We will complete all the things. But one time I will read. First time 2-3 minutes you will be quiet. Then your turn. I will ask you question. You will give me the answer. Ready?
Okay, teacher.
Very good. Jishan is joining now. Okay, I will art. I will not mute to anyone. Today I am not going to mute anyone. You should mute your mouth. That is enough. Understood?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. I know my all students are very good. So, the art, our home. Lesson number 14. The art is our home planet. Okay, art is our home planet. It has air to breathe and plenty of water. I show you how many parts full of water. Okay, I show you. We did one activity also. These are essential for the plants and animals. Yes, for plants also and for animals also. What is essential? The earth. Without earth, where we live? Where we live? If earth will... Why noisy? Too much disturbance sound is coming. Don't know. So these are essential for all. For all means what? For animals and for the plants. None can live without water and air. None means nobody. No plants, no animals. Understood? None means nobody. Plants also cannot live without water and animals also cannot live without water. So after that day we discussed in this book, there are two boxes. One is the blue box, one is the pink color box. And inside the box have some important notes. What is written there? First box, the earth has forest. Yes, earth means the complete. And I show you, did you see the globe? That day I told you now. Look at the globe. Anybody see the globe? No? Okay.
Teacher, I see.
If you see the globe, then you can see. Globe, some places is the very good. Some are blue color, some places, some are brown colors, some are green colors. It means green means forest. Very good, Samia. Green means forest. Blue means water. And brown means mountain. Here, land. Okay.
Green means grass.
Grass, not only grass, forest means all trees, plants, grass. Green means particular, you can understand green means forest. Okay. And forest, grassy plants, high mountains, hot deserts, and freezing cold. So many things we can see where in the art. Understood? So what we can see in the art? We can see the forest, we can see the grassy plains, we can see the high mountain, we can see the desert like Bahrain, like Saudi Arabia, Oman, all the desert. In India also have so many places, desert place. Means in Bangla it is called the Morubhumi. Okay? And have freezing poles. Freezing poles means cold place. Some place hot, some place cold also. Okay, this is the first box. Second box given some message. What is written here? Do you know 3/4 of the earth is covered with what? With
Water.
water. Very good.
Water.
Yes, that's why.
Water.
That's why in the globe, most part you can see the blue color. You know why you can see the blue color? Because of 3 part. I show you now. This is a biscuit. Earth means like a biscuit. It's a round shape. Okay. In this round shape, if we make the 4 equal parts. Okay. I show you how to make the part. First make the half. Then every half make the one more time half. Then you can get the 4 piece. In this 4 piece, if you will take one, then 3 parts full of covered water, and the one part is land. In this land, you can see the desert, you can see the mountain, you can see the freezing cold, means cold place also. Okay. Oceans and seas cover most of the earth's surface. Surface means what? I told you, surface means the outer layer. Okay, like our skin. Inside the skin, we have the bones, we have the blood, so many things inside our skin. But skin covered our body. So this skin is the surface of our body. Same like earth also. Outside, what is written here? Oceans and seas cover most of the earth surface. Surface means if you see the picture of earth, most of the part you can see the blue color. Understood? This much only very small, very small in the book, but it is look like a small chapter, but inside have so many things. Understood? And I gave you 10 words for learn. Did you learn the spelling?
Yes.
Can I ask the spelling? Can I ask?
Yes.
Very good. Very good. Then I can understand. If possible, don't see the book. It is not a test. Just simply I'm asking. If you know better, otherwise no problem. I will. What time I will take the test? That before the test you will learn. Okay. And in this chapter have so many questions. So first word. Anybody? I will ask to whom? I will ask to first. Wait. I will ask to Anisha first. Anisha? Yes, I will make you the unmute. Anisha, you will tell me the spelling of damage. Damage. So, Anisha, can you make you unmute? You are muted in your side. Can you make the unmute? No? Wait, I will see.
Yes, teacher.
Ah, very good, very good. So, if you don't know the spelling of dear students, be quiet. Anisha, can you spell the spelling of planet? Planet. P-L-A-N-E-T. Planet. E-T. Okay. Rohan, my dear, make you unmute. You are muted. Make you unmute. And then tell me the spelling of mountain. Yes.
M-O-U-N-T-A-R-N. Mountain.
Very good. Excellent. Rohan, very good. Anisha, now I will ask Abdulaziz. Abdulaziz, first make you unmute. You are muted. Make you unmute.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Tell me the spelling of animals.
Animals.
Yes.
A-N-I-M-A-L-L.
Why I cannot see you? This is your picture, no? Stand picture. Okay, no problem. Najmul, make you unmute, my dear. You are muted, na? Make you unmute. Very good. Tell me the spelling of damage. Today I
D-A-M-A-G-E, damage.
very good. Excellent. Excellent. Okay. Now I'm going to discuss the true and false. Okay. I will tell you some sentence. You will tell me this is true or false. Wait. Nobody
Is
will
it
talk.
together we have to say?
Yes, you can say together. No problem. First, listen my questions. The Earth is our home planet. Is that true or false?
True.
Very good.
Is it true?
Okay, Jishan, did you hear what they said? The Earth is our home planet. Is that true? Tomorrow I will send this, not tomorrow. Tomorrow is the Friday. Sunday I will send these notes, but today we'll discuss. Then it is easy for you. Second one, we can live without water and air. It's a true or false?
False.
False. Sanoki, can you live without water, Sanoki? Very good. Mahi,
Yes, teacher.
can you live without air? No. So we cannot live without water and air. Very good. Now, number 3 is the sun is the biggest star. Is it true or false?
True.
Very good. True. Because that's what we learned that in the first term question, the sun and stars, that lesson that we learned, the sun is the biggest star. Okay? Now, true and false. Tell me, there are 2 quarters of the earth is covered with water. Is that true and false?
True. True. True.
Again, listen to me. Again, there are 2 quarter parts. I said 2, but what is the exact accurate answer? How many parts?
One.
You are not listening to me. Rohan, can you make you unmute? Can you make you unmute? Listen to me. I said there are 2 quarter parts covered with water. Is that true or false?
False.
What is the correct answer?
3 quarters.
Yes, 3 quarter parts. Very good. Okay. So, very good. In a globe, where is the oceans and seas, we can see the yellow color. Is that true or false?
False.
Then what is the correct answer? Which color you can see?
Blue.
Yes, Talha, excellent. Because
Teacher say green.
no, who said green? No, Talha, I got the sound Talha. No problem. Because Monayed didn't listen to me. Otherwise, Monayed will give me the correct answer. No problem. So next is I will ask another very funny question. That is the Earth's surface covered by forest. Is that true or false?
False.
Then what is the right answer? Tell me.
Earth covered to water and seas covered water.
Yes, ocean and seas means water. Okay, somebody told me the water. That is also correct answer because of surface is covered by oceans and seas. Means water source. Very good. So true and false already we discussed. Now I will discuss the fill in the blanks. Okay, I will discuss the fill in the blanks. Listen to me. Habibur, where are you, Habibur? Your video is closed. Habibur, tell me, the moon looks small. No, not this one. Maybe Habibur cannot give me this answer. The sun is a the sun is a dash star. What is will come? Which word will come to the fill in the blanks? The sun is dash star. What is the answer?
Big.
Big.
Bright. Bright star. Bright.
Yes.
Bright.
Very good.
Bright star.
Bright. Very good. Very good. Now I will ask to the wait. Samia. Samia will give me the answer. The dash moves round the sun. Samia. Very good. All of you clap for Samia. Very good. Yes. Now I will ask to the Mahmoud. Mahmoud, can you hear me, Mahmoud?
Yes, I can hear you.
The earth is our home dash.
Planet.
Very good. You have to say the full sentence. The earth is our home planet. Very good. Now this next question for Sanuki. Sanuki,
Yes,
dash water part covered with water.
the blue part is covered with water.
No, dash water parts. You have to say some numbers. Dash water parts. How many water parts?
2.
No. What?
Yes, it is one water park.
No. Again, I will repeat the question. Dash water parts covered with water. How many water parts? Very good. Three. Very good, Fuad. Sanuki, that day I show you now one activity with the biscuit. 3 part and 1 part. This is the answer. 3 part covered with water. Okay, no problem. Very good. Good response. Now I will discuss the choose the correct answer. Okay, I will give you some option. First, I will ask the question, then I will give you option. You have to choose the correct one. Understood?
Yes.
The sun gives us heat and light and moon. What is the answer? Light and moon. Again, listen to me, all of you. Give me the full together answer. The sun gives us heat and you have 2 options, light and moon. Tell me the correct one.
Light.
Then I will read the full sentence. The sun gives us heat and light. Understood? Understood?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Next one. The earth is our home, desert, yeah, planet.
Planet. Our planet.
Yeah,
Planet.
planet. Very good. Yes. Because I don't know why this sound is coming. What? Yeah. Too much sound coming. I also feel.
Sound is coming to Sanuki.
No. Listen to me first. Don't talk now. Now what I ask you, the earth is our home, not desert, home, planet. Understood?
Planet.
Now, Azra, make you unmute, Azra. Make you unmute. Okay, I will ask the next question for Azra because she is little bit sleepy, same like our Najmul also. Making no, now study time. Azza, tell me, my dear, the earth moves round the sun, yeah, light. Just you think, earth is move round the sun, yeah, light.
It's a light. Sun.
Azra, what is the answer?
Sun.
Very good. Sun, yes. Earth is moving around the sun. Who said light? Munayat? No, Mahmud. Mahmud said. Mahmud.
said.
Mahmud, show your hands. Like this.
Us.
No, like this. Two
Teacher, I
like this.
cannot see your picture.
I will give you 1, 2, 3. Wrong answer for that. Okay. Acha. So, pick the correct answer also finish. Now I will ask the small question. Okay, I will ask to whom? I will ask to whom? I will ask to Mahi. Mahi, my dear, tell me now question answer. Okay. What is sun?
Okay.
What is sun?
The sun is a big ball of fire.
Very good. This is the last lesson. Yes, we learned this one from the sun, moon, and earth. Do you remember? Okay.
Yes.
You can in this lesson your answer absolutely correct. Here is written the sun is a bright star. Okay. This is also correct and that one also correct. No, it is. I will give you the question answer. Na, that time it will come. Very good. All of you clap for Mahi. Very nice answer. Yes. Now I will ask the next question. Whom? I will ask to Abdul Aziz. Abdul Aziz, make you unmute.
Teacher, I am unmute.
Tell me what is moon? What is moon?
Moon is a satellite.
Very good. Somebody help you, no problem. Who said? Say thank you to her because it is the correct answer. So moon is a satellite of the earth. Your sister help you, no problem. It's okay because today is not a test. Now I will ask to Monaed. Monaed,
Yes, teacher.
what are essential for the plants and animals? Yes, my dear.
I'm not here.
Again, I will repeat the question. Okay, what are essential for the plants and animals? Tell me. Without dash cannot live. What is the answer? Monaed is the easy one. Yes.
Teacher,
Mahamud, close your mouth. Close your mouth.
water.
Maria, who said?
I say.
Monaed, Rohan, give me your ears. Give me your ears. I will go like this. I will do. I ask you? No, no. I didn't ask you. Yes, one. I gave you. Now I will ask to Najmul. Najmul, tell me, my dear, what are essential for plants and animals? Please tell me.
Water.
And one more.
Water.
Tanuki. Tanuki, do you know the answer? One is water, correct. Other one. If it is not in the earth, we cannot take breathe. What is the name?
Air.
Yes.
Air with.
Very good. All of you clap for Tanuki. Tanuki and Najmul both are correct. Najmul said water and Tanuki said air. Yes, without water we cannot live, and without air also, because without air how can we take the breath? Understood? Okay. So question answer also finished. Today we complete the full lesson. Nice, no? Huh? So now next time, one time I will send you the all question, no, true and false. Then choose the correct answer. Then I will send you the answer the following. It is very easy for you because now you know all the question answer whatever related in this lesson. Okay. So my time also over. Today I think Shakiba joined in the class and Mariam also. Yes, I saw Shakiba and Mariam. Mariam, where is Mariam? Mariam, can you hear me? Mariam, make you unmute. Mariam, can you make you unmute? Mariam can hear me, but I cannot get her sound. So, yes, Mariam. How are you, Mariam?
Fine.
Okay, whatever I am sending all the notes, did you write in the notebook?
Yes.
Okay. Achha, my students, listen. Today I sent one activity now. Draw a picture of the World Environment Day. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Actually, tomorrow is the World Environment Day. If you can draw, please draw. Huh? Then what I will do, I will take your all picture. I will make a collage. Then I will send to our principal ma'am. She will be happy, no? Our
Teacher, I cannot understood. Teacher.
I will tell you what you will do. Okay, once again, I will show you.
Teacher, I did. Teacher, we can't hear. Teacher, we cannot see also. Teacher, we can't hear you.
Sorry. I'm sorry, I'm muted. What I say, go to the internet and just search World Environment Day. Then so many picture will come. You will take the very easy one, like a globe, yeah, art. Okay. After that, put some slogan. What? Water is precious. Don't waste the water, like this small sentence. Okay, those are already done, no problem. Otherwise, tomorrow, yeah, after tomorrow also you can send to me. Understood? You can
Teacher,
send to me.
tomorrow what have to do?
You have to make a chart. The topic is World Environment Day. Because tomorrow is the 5th June. 5th June is the World Environment Day. Go to the internet, and now you are very trained, no? You know how to use the internet. So this is not a compulsory, but in the school also we are doing the activity now. If our school is open now, so tomorrow we have to celebrate our Environment Day, no? Okay. So they will do. Those cannot. Okay, then send to me. Write your name, ID number, color very well. Put some slogan. Slogan means, you know what? Like I told you now, water is precious. Don't waste water, like this. Okay. You can get ideas from the internet. I will show. I will send you 2-3 pictures. Okay. Whatever I have the old one, I will send you. You can get ideas. So time is yes. Yes. Anybody want to ask something? Okay, then send to me. Send to me. Okay, send to me. Okay, Samia, did you send me?
No.
Okay, first you complete all the things, write your name, send to personally in WhatsApp and send to the Google Classroom also. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, now time is over. I'm going to close. Have a good day. Okay, and
Have a good day. Bye bye, Tata.
Bye bye, teacher. Bye bye, teacher. Bye bye, teacher. Bye bye, teacher. Have a good day. Good night, teacher. Good night, teacher.
Listen, Sunday I will take the social study test. Do you remember? Sunday you have social study test, full portion. So study well. I will make the question. I will take the all lesson. Okay? Bye bye.
Bye bye, teacher. Good night.
Bye bye, teacher.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night, teacher. Have a good day.
Have a good day and good night.